In this video, we listed the 5 best mini drills on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DEKO Mini Electric Drill. The DEKO DKRT170Y1 Rotary Tool Kit is a powerful and versatile solution for home DIY, crafting, and precision projects. Equipped with a 170W motor and a 6-speed adjustment ranging from 8,000 to 35,000 RPM, it offers reliable performance for tasks such as carving, sanding, grinding, polishing, engraving, and cutting. The included 1.8mm flexible shaft works like a pen, reducing vibration and providing precise control for delicate detailing. This kit comes with 127 multi-purpose accessories, including a cover shield for safer cutting, a drill locator for accurate woodworking, buffing wheels for surface finishing, and multiple collets, 1/8, 2x 1/16, 3/32 for wider compatibility. Designed with an ergonomic rubberized grip, assist handle, and ventilation holes, the tool ensures comfort, durability, and consistent performance during extended use. Packaged in a well-organized storage box, the DEKO Rotary Tool Set makes an excellent gift for DIY enthusiasts, beginners, and hobbyists, perfect for small home projects, crafting, and creative work. Number 2. ARROWMAX Mini Electric Drill. The ARROWMAX SDS Ultra Mini Electric Drill Pen is a portable and lightweight tool designed for crafting and DIY projects, offering convenience whether at home, in the workshop, or on the go. With adjustable speeds of up to 900 RPM, it delivers efficient and precise drilling on a variety of materials. The kit includes 10 titanium-coated drill bits, 0.6 mm, 2.2 mm, 2.35 mm shaft, ideal for wood, aluminum, plastic, and circuit boards. A magnetic CNC alloy storage box keeps up to 20 drill bits neatly organized, while the quick bit fastening design allows for easy, tool-free replacement. Powered by a 500 mAh lithium polymer battery with USB-C fast charging, this cordless mini drill ensures long-lasting performance and minimal downtime, making it a reliable and versatile choice for hobbyists, makers, and DIY enthusiasts. Number 3. ANEERPOWER Mini Drill. The ANEERPOWER Mod 518 Mini Rotary Drill is a powerful and versatile 230W tool designed for jewelry making, woodworking, home DIY, and detailed crafting projects. With variable speed control, 5,000 to 31,000 RPM, and a 5-level governor, it allows precise adjustments for drilling, carving, cutting, polishing, grinding, sanding, and engraving on a wide range of materials including wood, jade, crystal, agate, ceramics, plastics, metals, glass, and PCB boards. Its lightweight 0.65 kilograms design ensures comfortable handling during extended use, while the chuck supports 0.6 to 6.5 mm drill bits for broad compatibility. The tool is powered by a 220V/240V AC brushed motor, delivering consistent performance for both light-duty and heavy-duty applications. Each package includes a comprehensive set of accessories: flexible shaft, carving needles, saw blades, chucks, goggles, and up to 260 PCS attachments depending on the selected kit, making it a complete solution for polishing, rust removal, sharpening, and detailed engraving work. Certified with CE standards, this mini drill is built for durability, versatility, and precision, making it a reliable choice for hobbyists, jewelers, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 4. HOTO 35-in-1 Mini Electric Drill. The HOTO QWLDM001 Mini Drill is a versatile and efficient rotary tool designed for home DIY projects, featuring a lightweight design at just 250G and a powerful motor with a torque of up to 0.9 Nm. This cordless tool offers 5 speed settings, ranging from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM, allowing for precise control across various materials. It is equipped with a high-capacity 2,000 mAh lithium battery that provides up to 50 minutes of continuous use on a full charge, complemented by a user-friendly charging base for convenient storage. The kit includes 35 multifunctional accessories for tasks such as carving, sanding, grinding, cutting, and polishing, all organized in an innovative storage box. Additional features include an LED ring light for enhanced visibility in dim conditions, a removable dust cover for safety, and a comfortable ergonomic design that allows for one-handed operation. With its combination of power, versatility, and ease of use, the HOTO Mini Drill is an ideal tool for creative enthusiasts and DIYers alike. Number 5. JANKLIFE Electric Drill. The JANKLIFE Electric Drill Grinder Engraver Pen is a compact and versatile tool designed for home DIY projects and creative crafting. With a maximum drilling diameter of 3.2 millimeters and adjustable speeds of 5,000, 10,000, and 15,000 RPM, it offers precision and control for tasks like engraving, grinding, sanding, polishing, cutting, and drilling. Powered by a USB plug-in system, it does not require batteries or charging and can even be used with a power bank for convenience. Weighing only 330 g, this lightweight tool is easy to handle, while the included 5 interchangeable collets, 0.8 millimeters, 1 millimeter, 1.6 millimeters, 2.3 millimeters, 3.2 millimeters, provide compatibility with a wide range of accessories. Built with overheat protection at 105 degrees Celsius, it ensures safe operation and durability, making it a reliable choice for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts alike.